Well, Leah, that's right. We are going to have some really nice conditions. We had a little bit of rain over the weekend, but taking a look at your headlines, not a whole lot of wet weather coming our way this week. A lot of sunshine, a little bit warm, slim chances of showers Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday, but again, it's a low wind chance for now. And then we're going to warm back to near 90 heading into the end of the week. So we're kind of caught between two systems. So here's the remnants of Francine, which just did not bring us as much rain as we originally thought. Still bringing some showers into Arkansas, West Tennessee, and Mississippi. We also have what could become Tropical Storm Helene off the Carolina coastline. That's bringing some wet weather to South and North Carolina this morning, and we're kind of here in the middle. So we're dry as you're heading out the door. And here's a look, again, caught between two systems, active weather to our east, our west, and our south, and we're going to stay dry for today. Plenty of sunshine, and for your temperatures, a little bit of a spread. So the further west you go, it's a little bit warmer. Temperatures right around 70, 73 degrees in northeast Alabama. But then as you move to the east, we have a few areas in the upper 50s. Cleveland, Athens, a very comfortable morning for you, right around 59 degrees. Highs today, 87 in Pikeville, 86 in Athens, 88 here in Chattanooga, 86 in Tellico Plains, 82 in Turtletown. We'll have the low to mid 80s in the Blue Ridge Mountains into North Georgia, mid to upper 80s here across portions of northwest Georgia, and the northeast Alabama, much of the same, mid to upper 80s. So it is going to be a very warm day. And taking a look at your bus stop forecast as you're heading out this morning, we'll be in the mid 60s on average. Again, some areas in the 50s. In the further west, you'll be in the 70s. And then everyone will rise into the upper 70s by lunchtime, climbing into the 80s later today. So we are still tracking the tropics. We have potential tropical Cyclone 8. That is just off the Carolina coastline. Will likely become Tropical Storm Helene a little bit later on and then move inland across the Carolinas. Now, much like Francine, this is going to stay outside of our coverage area, but it could spin a few showers into portions of our eastern communities heading into tomorrow and maybe even into Wednesday. But we also had Gordon form in the open Atlantic. That's not going to impact any land, just a fish storm. So next up would be Helene, and we could have, again, Helene a little bit later on today. Here's a look at Futurecast today. Sunshine, a few clouds off to our east, and then here's the outer bands of what could be Helene starting to push into western North Carolina. And then heading into tomorrow, we do have a couple of showers trying to move through. Now, we still have quite a bit of dry air in the upper atmosphere, so it's going to be hard for some of these showers to actually reach the ground, but I still think we'll have that potential, especially east of I-75 heading into your Tuesday. But notice the coverage isn't going to be that high. The main impacts from this tropical system are going to stay off to our east. And then as we head into Tuesday night, not a whole lot going on, and then by Wednesday morning, maybe a shower in our eastern communities once again, and then we'll start to have some sunshine a little bit later in the day on Wednesday. So we're not going to see a whole lot of rain, if any, from the system. That's going to stay into the Carolinas, so Myrtle Beach, Raleigh, up into portions of Virginia, and then a little additional rain off to our west as well. But here's a look. This is over the next 7 days, so pretty much nothing south and west of Chattanooga. Again, our eastern communities may pick up just a little bit of rain, and boy, do we need it. We're nearly running a 10-inch departure on the year, and we're still in a severe drought here across the Tennessee Valley. So any rain that we could get would be beneficial, but this week it looks like it's going to be more dry than not. Today, 88, mostly sunny and warm. For tonight, we'll fall down into the 60s, comfortable. And here's a look at your extended storm alert 7-day forecast. We're going to have 83 tomorrow, a little bit cooler with the increased cloud cover. Wednesday, 85, and then heading into the rest of the week, we'll be back around 90 degrees. And yeah, it's going to feel a little like summer. We're closing out the last week. I believe the fall equinox is the 23rd, so we're just a week away.
Yeah.